How to turn on multi-factor authentication in Mint. First of all, open the Mint app or visit the Mint website and log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, go to your settings by clicking on Intuit account in the bottom left corner. Next, look for the sign in and security option in the left sidebar and click on it. Here you will find the option to enable multi-factor authentication, also known as two-factor authentication. Click on Turn On to start the setup process. Then click Setup. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or use an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the instruction to link your phone or app to your Mint account. Once set up, Mint will send you a verification code each time you log in from a new device or new browser. Simply enter the code to complete the login and keep your account secure. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on multi-factor authentication in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.